Let's unbox the HIEHA 7-inch wireless CarPlay touchscreen. Inside the box, we've got the rear camera with a long cable, an AUX cable, the power supply for the cigarette port, 2 different arms for mounting the screen, some adhesive stickers for the mount and camera, and of course the main touchscreen unit. Now I'll attach the mounting arm to the touchscreen. You can hear that satisfying click when it locks into place. Next, I'll plug in the power to start it up for the very first time. To connect with CarPlay, I first turn on Bluetooth on my phone. The device shows up as CarKit 1.13F. I tap to connect, confirm the pairing code, and then allow access. After that, you'll see the Bluetooth icon appear on the CarPlay screen. Don't forget, Siri has to be enabled. In my case, I had to activate Siri manually. You can follow my steps here. And there it is, CarPlay opens up. I test the maps by scrolling and zooming in, and you can see how smooth and fast the screen response is. I also try making a call using voice command, and it works perfectly. Now I mount the screen onto the dashboard. The first arm is really stable, but then I switch to the shorter arm, which fits my car model better. After that, I connect the camera cable to the unit and start, hiding the cable neatly along the front of the car. To make cable routing easier, I tape the power wire and the camera wire together. This makes it simpler to pass them through the trim and into the boot area. Here I locate the reverse light wiring. We've got 2 wires, and in this case, the red one is positive. I remove the bulb and use a special clip connector. To join the red reverse light, wire with the red camera wire. Once that's secured, I put everything back in place. Next, I remove the number plate light to run the camera cable through. I stick the camera in position, adjust the angle with the tiny screws on the side, and secure it firmly. Time to test the camera, and it works perfectly. Once tested, I reinstall all the trim and plastic panels I removed earlier. And finally, I peel off the screen protector, just like when you get a brand new car. Everything works flawlessly. At the end, I'll also include 2 short versions of this video to give you a quick look at how good this system is. If you'd like to get one for yourself, the purchase link is down below.